No baking and no mess. Simple and elegant. Goodday Chunkies Chocolate Truffle recipe. Hello everyone, I'm Afraz and I welcome you on Britannia Dessert Carnival. And today I'm going to show you a very quick and easy recipe of Chunky Chocolate Truffle. To make ganache, we just need two ingredients, which is chocolate and cream. So here on a double boiler, I'm going to melt the chocolate. So let's add some dark chocolate and I'm going to let this melt. So also I'm going to give you a tip, which is the chunky tip of the day, is whenever you're melting chocolate on a double boiler, make sure that the water level is very less in the pan and the water should not touch the bowl. Only with the steam of the heat, the chocolate will melt. Otherwise, a drop of water will destroy chocolate. So here, as you can see, if you'll mix this, the chocolate is nicely melting. Just give it a swirl and let this melt on itself. Now to this, I'm going to add some fresh cream. And I'm going to add a tablespoon of butter. Mix this nicely until everything is well combined. And now you can take this off from the heat because the chocolate is nice and hot, and with that heat you can mix the cream with it. So here the rich ganache is ready, but now the crunchy part which I'm going to add to this is our Goodday Chunkies. So I'm going to take a big bowl in which I'm going to just crumble our Goodday Chunkies. This will give our ganache a nice chunky chocolate infusion. Now it's time to add the prepared ganache and let's mix this nicely. So the chocolate cream mixture will bring all this together, and this will go in the refrigerator for around 10 to 15 minutes until the chocolate is solidified. So जब तक कि हमारा chocolate mixture freeze हो रहा है, chill हो रहा है, let's make a glaze. So for that, I'm going to heat up a pan with some cream. This is also similar to ganache, but this will be a runny ganache, and over here I have some chopped dark chocolate. So once the cream come to a boil, I'm going to pour this hot cream over the chocolate. So the cream is nice and hot now. I'm going to pour this hot cream over the chocolate, and with the help of a spatula I'm just going to mix this and just see the magic. The chocolate will nicely melt. So lovely, our glaze is ready. Let's get the chocolate mixture from the refrigerator. And now it's time to shape them into truffles. So let's start making it. A nice small portion of the mixture, well, I can say shape them into laddus, which we Indians in our festival mostly do. So our truffles are ready. So now let's do the magic. I'm going to dip this truffle into the glaze. Just cover this. So here now I have three choices. One is cocoa powder, one is chopped pistachios, and some desiccated coconut. So first I'm going to put this into the cocoa powder, put the second one into some chopped pistachios, and the last one into the desiccated coconut. So now let's roll this up. So I'm going to just shake the bowl so that it coats well, and then let's place this here. Similarly with the other two coatings, just look at the pistachio one. Doesn't it look so beautiful? And the last one with some desiccated coconut. There you go. For now I'm going to plate this. So the remaining chocolate glaze, I've piped it out on a plate, and now let's place the chocolate truffles. Some edible flowers. These chocolate truffles made using chunky cookie base are overloaded with happiness. If you like the recipe, don't forget to hit like, share with your friend and subscribe to never miss any dessert recipe on Britannia Dessert Carnival.
FoodFood, it's sizzling.